If you want to get the blue check, everyone wants a blue check that verifies your account, you need to get media coverage. It actually says it right in Instagram's in their terms where they talk about if you want to get verified, you have to have media coverage. All right, here's how to do it. One, you could hire a PR agency. It's okay. But here's a better way. What you can do is look for 5 to 10 different accounts that are already verified and that are in like that same niche as you, okay? So you're gonna look for 5 to 10 different people that are already verified and that are like competitors or, do something similar to you. Then do a quick search, a Google search for their name and look, especially at Google News, and see what's media coverage that they've got. Now, what you wanna do is just write down the different publications and the person who covered them. So, because why? If they've already covered this person, they're gonna probably wanna cover you because you're doing something similar. And also find out their email address. Then you're gonna pitch them with this better idea. As a result, you're gonna start getting media coverage. They want real media. And with what I just told you, you can get that really quickly. Then you just apply for the check, boom, you're in.